Most drivers don't realize they're losing thousands every year on car repairs. Mechanics aren't always lying, but they definitely don't tell you everything. That ends today. I'm revealing 20 repair secrets that can save you over $2,000 a year if you know what to look for. Some of these are so simple, you'll wonder why no one ever taught you. Let's get into it, starting with one that could quietly kill your AC. Stop blindly recharging. Your AC. When your AC loses its chill, the quick fix is grabbing a can from the store and topping it off. But here's what most people don't know. Every time refrigerant leaks out, oil leaks too. That oil is what keeps the compressor alive. Run low long enough and the compressor seizes. That's a $1,000 repair. Instead, add UV dye and use a blacklight or refrigerant sniffer to spot leaks early. Sometimes it's as simple as a $5 O-ring or a $100 condenser. Also, run your AC in winter. It keeps seals lubricated so leaks don't form. The takeaway? A $20 check now beats a $1,000 disaster later. 19. Buy OEM parts without paying dealer prices. Here's the dirty secret. The genuine part your dealer sells often comes from the exact same factory as cheaper versions online. A 120 Honda oxygen sensor? It's actually a $60 Denso part with a different label. BMW coils stamped Bosch, Jaguar pumps built by Ford, the list goes on. Look up the part number etched on the original piece and order directly from that supplier. Stick to names like Bosch, Denso, Delphi, or Asen. You'll save 50–80% without sacrificing quality. Bottom line, same part, same factory, just half the price. Why pay extra for a fancy box? 18. Don't skip brake fluid flushes. Brake fluid is like a sponge. It absorbs moisture, and after just 2 or 3 years, that water corrodes your ABS pump, seizes calipers, and rots brake lines. Ignore it, and an $80 flush turns into a $2,300 bill. Fresh fluid gives you firmer pedal feel, better stopping power, and longer system life. Think of it as an oil change for your brakes. Do it every 2–3 years, or sooner if you drive hard. Cheap maintenance here isn't optional. It's your safety system's lifeline. Change your coolant. Before it becomes acid, coolant isn't just colored water. Over time, it breaks down, drops below pH 7, and literally eats your engine from the inside out. Rust in the radiator, electrolysis in the heater core, even a blown head gasket. This is what old coolant causes. A gallon costs $20. A head gasket repair? $500 or more. Flush every 3 to 4 years, not just at 100K miles, and use the right type for your car. One cheap jug now prevents a catastrophic engine failure later. 6. Don't forget power steering fluid. Most drivers change engine oil but ignore power steering fluid until the rack fails. By then, it's an $800 hit. Over time, dirty fluid carries tiny metal shavings that chew seals and cause leaks. The fix is easy. Every 50K miles, suck out old fluid with a turkey baster and refill. Repeat until it runs clean. A $10 bottle keeps steering smooth and racks alive for years. Skip it, and you'll pay hundreds for something preventable. Fix the piece, not the whole part. Dealers love upselling. Instead of replacing a $20 bushing, they'll sell you a $300 control arm. Instead of a $1 capacitor, they'll sell you a $500 module. Smart mechanics and DIYers know the trick. Replace the failed piece, not the assembly. Window sliders, bushings, alternator bearings, most can be repaired cheaply. Do a little research or find a shop that does component-level repairs. It's the difference between spending $30 and $300, $14. Lifetime gear oil is a lie. Lifetime really means until your warranty ends. Ignore your differential and transfer case fluids, and you're risking 1,000+ or failures. Over time, gear oil breaks down, loses additives, and picks up shavings. The fix: change it every 30–50K miles. Fresh fluid keeps hypoid gears, bearings, and clutches healthy. Towing or off-roading? Do it sooner. For $40 in oil, you avoid one of the costliest drivetrain surprises. Protect your car from rodents. Your car's soy-based wiring smells like food to rodents. They chew harnesses, nest in ducts, and leave you with bills ranging from $100 sensors to $4,000 wiring looms. The defense is cheap. Peppermint oil, ultrasonic repellers, mothballs, or even rodent-resistant electrical tape from Honda. Park clean, seal air inlets, and don't let them move in. Spend $20 now, or risk a $4,000 rat buffet under your hood. 12. Skip the dealer, Keep the cash dealers charge $150–200 per labor hour. Independents? Around $100. Many are ex-dealer techs who know the same tricks without the upsells. Bring your own OEM parts and you'll save even more. Dealers push high markup branded boxes. Indies install the same part cheaper. Don't pay for logos and overhead. Find a trusted shop and cut repair bills in half. Gut. Oil spray. Your undercarriage salt kills cars faster than mileage does. Once rust eats suspension mounts or brake lines, repairs soar past $3,000. The fix. Yearly oil spray with products like fluid film or crown. Yes, it's messy. Yes, it drips. But it seeps into seams, blocks salt, and prevents corrosion. A $100 spray every winter can extend your car's life by 3 to 5 years. Chaken. Keep EV batteries cool. Heat is an EV battery's worst enemy. A Nissan Leaf in hot climates lost 20% capacity in just a few years. Replacement packs? $5,000, $10,000, always pre-cool while plugged in, park in shade, and avoid charging to 100% daily. Stick to 80–90% for daily use. In winter, pre-warm before driving. Treat the battery like an engine. Control temps and it'll outlast your car loan. Add lubricity to diesel fuel. Modern ultra-low sulfur diesel has poor lubrication, and Bosch CP4 pumps are notorious for failing, sending metal into injectors. The fix costs $8,000+. Diesel veterans add a pint of ashless 2-stroke oil to every 25 gallons. That one trick restores lubricity and keeps pumps alive. $1 per tank beats an $8,000 nightmare. Fix known weak points early. Every car has a failure pattern. Subaru head gaskets, VW flywheels, Jeep sensors. Forums and technical bulletins reveal them. Replace these parts proactively. Spend $100 on a plastic coolant fitting now, or $5,000 on a cooked head later. Smart owners fix weak links before they break. It's how cars reach 250k miles without drama. Stop carbon buildup in GDI. Engines, direct injection engines, never wash intake valves with fuel. Instead, oily vapors cake them in carbon. Cleaning costs $700 with walnut blasting. Install a $100 catch can. It traps oil vapors before they reach valves. Empty at every oil change, and you'll see ounces of sludge that would have baked onto your engine. One small can saves hundreds and keeps your car running smooth. Use junkyards for big repairs engines. Transmissions, wiring harnesses, junkyards are gold mines. Wrecked cars often have perfect powertrains you can snag for $250–600 instead of $4,000+. Check online databases like carpart.com, and many yards even offer warranties. It's how budget-savvy drivers keep old cars alive. Why buy new when you can grab OEM parts for pennies? Get yearly alignments. Even one 8-inch misalignment is like dragging your tires sideways for 28 feet every mile. That destroys $600 tires fast. An $80 alignment doubles tire life, improves fuel economy, and keeps handling sharp. Do it yearly, or after potholes or suspension work. Tires aren't cheap. Don't waste them with sloppy angles. Scan your check engine light yourself. Dealers love charging $120 just to scan a light. But AutoZone or O'Reilly will do it free. Or buy a $20 OBD2 scanner and use your phone. A loose gas cap often triggers the light. Why pay hundreds when it's a $10 fix? Own the tool, own the info, and never pay mystery fees again. Use hidden warranties. Automakers quietly cover known defects through service campaigns. Dealers won't always mention them unless you ask. Examples: Toyota fixed engine sludge, GM covered steering racks, Honda replaced transmissions, all beyond warranty. Search technical service bulletins, TSBs. Bring the number to your dealer and you could save $2,000 instantly. Sometimes the repair is free. You just need to know what to say. Change cabin air filters. Yourself. Dealers charge $81–$20 for a 5-minute swap. The filter itself costs $10–$20 online. Slide out the glove box, pop in a new one, done. Fresh filters keep AC strong and reduce strain on blowers. Skip the markup. 5 minutes of DIY saves you nearly $100 a year. Don't fear salvage titles buying used. A salvage title car with minor cosmetic damage can be thousands cheaper. If repaired correctly and inspected, it can be just as reliable as a clean title car. For example, a $15,000 Civic with a rebuilt title might cost $9,000, same engine, same features, just a history note, do your homework, and you can save big without sacrificing reliability. There you go. 20 car repair secrets that can save you more than $2,000 every single year. From cheap DIY tricks to avoiding dealer traps, these hacks keep both your car and your wallet healthy. Which of these secrets have you already used, and which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget, subscribe for more money-saving car advice every week.